So here I'm going to fill my type form and we will see the magic next moment. So here I'm going to provide the first name of my user as demo, and the next I'm going to provide the last name as user, and here I'm going to provide the email as demouser@pabblytudes.com. And now here I'm going to enter my contact number, and the next I'm going to enter my city as Indore. And now we just have to submit this type form. So here my type form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Notion account to see the changes. So right here I'm on this database named as all customers, which I'm going to just refresh. And here you can see that the data is saved to my Notion account. So you have seen the working of this automation by using which I'm adding my type form leads to my Notion automatically. And for creating this automation, I have used one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate varieties of application. So for this particular automation, I have integrated my Typeform with my Notion so that as soon as I receive a new lead over my Typeform, that lead will be automatically added to my this database named as all customers inside my Notion account. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect, and you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. So now let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Typeform, as I want to add my Typeform lead to the Notion. And here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as new entry. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where I'm going to build a new connection by simply selecting this button, that is connect with Typeform. And here I'm going to allow the access, as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly. And now it is asking me to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So right here I'm going to select my this form named as lead generation form. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that I'm getting this form which I have selected. Now let's select the response format as simple and click over this button, that is save and send test request. And right here it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. So here I'm going to copy the link of my type form, paste over the new tab, and get my type form which I'm going to fill. So right here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill, providing the first name as test, last name as user, and the next I'm going to provide my email as test@pabblytudes.com. And here I'm going to provide my contact number too, and the next I'm going to enter my city as Bhopal. So now let me just enter it, and now let's submit our type form. So here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to see whether we are getting this data over there or not. So right here, I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 6 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled, including the first name of my user, last name of the user, and here you can see its rest of details. So now I'm going to add this data to my Notion. So for that, I'm going to use my action application as Notion. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that I'm getting this application. Now let's select the app event as create database item. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this button and click over this button, that is connect with Notion. And now here I'm going to select the pages. So now let me show you the pages which I have already selected. Now I'm going to allow the access, and here you can see that the connection has been built in. And here I'm going to add the data to this database named as all customers. So here I'm going to select the database. So now let me search for it. And here you can see that I'm getting this database which I have selected, and now it is asking me to enter all these details. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my users details from the response which I'm receiving from Typeform. And for that, I'm going to select the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the email address of my user, which can be seen over here. Now let's map the phone number too. So here I'm going to search for the phone number as well, which can be seen over here. Now let's map the full name. So for mapping the full name, firstly I'm going to map the first name of my lead or the user. So here I'm getting the first name, so I have entered it. Now let's provide the space and map the last name too. So I'm going to search for the last name, which can be seen over here. So here I have mapped the full name too. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that database item might be created. So now let's move on towards my Notion account and check for it. So here I'm on this database named as all customers, where I'm successfully receiving my lead details. So here you can see that I have successfully added my Typeform lead to my Notion. And for that, you don't have to perform any manual task, because Pabbly Connect is going to automate this entire process. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box for your reference. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.